Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. It has now been 90 days since Thomson Consumer Electronics in Marion announced it would close. Newslink Indiana's Trinity Firth tells us what today meant for the factory and its remaining employees.
55 years after its doors opened, Marion's Thomson Consumer Electronics factory officially closed its doors Monday and laid off its remaining employees. On March 16th, employees were told the plant would close in 90 days despite heartfelt efforts from workers.
We've done everything as employees that we could do to keep this place running. We have just really went to the bone.
The Department of Workforce Development has offered its services to Thomson employees.
The government does have a program that will offer to pay for continuing education of laid-off employees. However, some employees feel it won't benefit everyone.
But you've got a lot of people that are 30, 40, 50 years old that don't have the training and probably couldn't go back enough time to get the training.
I'm not used to schooling. I mean, I'm glad I was offered the chance for schooling, but I mean, I'd rather just have my job.
Community as well as personal lives are affected.
It already has affected the community. There's a lot of jobs that's gone. A lot of people are in financial problems right now because jobs just aren't here no more.
Monday, 40 Thomson employees dismantled remaining parts and moved things out. In Marion, Trinity Firth, Newslink, Indiana.
A FEMA representative will meet with Grant County officials tomorrow to finalize cleanup plans from recent storms. FEMA will provide people affected since May 27th by those storms with money to help repair their homes and businesses. However, Grant County didn't see much actual damage. Instead, the state deemed the county a disaster area last Friday so it can help neighboring counties.
You had Kokomo, Howard County, it got hit pretty bad. Prue got hit pretty bad. So when they do that, they tie in counties, connecting counties for further assistance.
To find out if you're eligible for that assistance, you can call 1-800-621-3362. Now here's Ina Segal with a look at our forecast. Ina?
Thanks, Chris. Let's start with our conditions for tonight. A low of 68 degrees and winds of the west-southwest. Our forecast for tomorrow calls for partly cloudy skies and temperatures in the upper 80s. Chris?
Thanks, Ina. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tomorrow morning for more news. And don't forget local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.